friends, welcome to our channel Mockup. Today we have come with your requested video how to create a office logo mockup. If you want this mockup link, you can be found in the description. So let's get started. Make a copy of that smart object and place it below. Open a smart object and place a design into it. Make a copy of smart object and reduces its opacity to 0. From the blending option, select drop shadow. Make distance and scale value to 2 and opacity to 64. Add another drop shadow and make distance scale value to 5.2 and opacity to 23. Add another copy and make distance scale value to 7.4 and opacity to 13. Add global light. Add fourth shadow, make distance scale value to 8.6 and opacity to 19. Add global light. Add fifth drop shadow, make distance scale value to 4.3 and opacity to 11. Add global light. Now add some bevel and emboss to it. Change the style to outer bevel. Soften to 6 and opacity to 73. Hit OK. Right click on layer and select copy layer style and paste it on other layer. Make two copy of layer and select clear layer style. Now select color overlay from blending option and do same for the other one. Move two layer, move little upwards. Friends, hope you like it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for future updates.